In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at perimenopausal hot flashes.
Hot flashes are sudden waves of intense heat, typically caused by hormonal changes during perimenopause and menopause. They often trigger sweating and flushed skin and usually last between 1 and 5 minutes.
So you could be sitting in a freezing cold building, the ACs, just blasting away, and you just break out in a sweat. And some people, it could be mild, and some it can be I used to have them severely. Like I walk around with a rag in my hand all the time because I could be on stage. I've been to the UN many times speaking, and you look at some of my photos, my little rag is in my hand because I was going to be just breaking out in a sweat. And so that is caused, though, through hormonal disruption in women.
Common triggers include spicy foods, hot drinks like coffee or tea, hot showers or baths, and smoking. Stress, certain medications, and your environment can also influence how often hot flashes occur and how intense they feel.
There's a very, very important brain steroid. It's a big word, so here it is. This brain steroid is called allopregnanolone. In order to make this brain steroid, we need progesterone. So if you're stressed and cortisol is pulling your progesterone, you don't have enough to make enough of this brain steroid that actually helps to keep depression and anxiety at bay and keep your mood nice and even keel. And then you also have estrogen fluctuating and decreasing. That's now impacting your neurotransmitters. Listen, it's a vicious cycle. And all of this converging with our diet, not exercising, or depending on the type of exercise, because some exercises really are not the best exercise for women going through this.
Medical doctors are now noticing that younger women are entering the perimenopausal phase and experiencing hot flashes, which can sometimes continue for up to 10 years before menopause begins. Treatment options may include prescription medications, hormone replacement therapy, and lifestyle adjustments.
Your hormones begin to fluctuate. So you're fine, from, baby, puberty, young woman, and then you get to your 30s. My youngest patient was 30 years old in the States. That caused she was having hot flashes, sweating at nights, not sleeping, decreased sex drive at 30 years old. That has been my youngest patient. And so I'm like, okay, let's, have a talk, see what's going on. Got, all the details, and then did some labs on her. I did morning labs, evening labs, so I can have something to compare, because sometimes you can miss it.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.